Are you looking to change this before into this after? Or maybe this before into this after? Then you've come to the right place. Since 1988, Stonecrafters has been building new porches, walkways, and steps, and working our magic on existing ones that have seen better days. In most cases, the existing structure can be restored for use as the base for new stonework. At Stonecrafters, we have a variety of quality stones available, including a selection of one-piece step slabs called treads. The use of step treads has become very popular because of the beautiful, unique finished look. Even if you have no porch at all now, at Stonecrafters, we can start from scratch all the way to a stunning new entrance that is guaranteed to create a whole new curb appeal for your home. At Stonecrafters, we also have a full range of aluminum railings available to add to the finishing touches and meet all safety requirements. Whatever the scope of your project is, Stonecrafters is here to help. Design help is always free, and we bring the experience of 30 years in the stone masonry business to every project. All materials and labor are covered by our unconditional written warranty. Give us a call for your free estimate, and we'll provide you with a detailed written quotation. Check us out, and you'll see why Stonecrafters is the right choice for your stonework project.